Hello curious people, this is me Nitya Rajesh and welcome back to Kapasula Kudinir. Today in our aptitude session we are going to see about the alphabetical series, but without any further ado let's get into the video. But before that, do not forget to like, share, subscribe my channel and do not forget to click the bell icon. Just check out the video. About the alphabetical series, that is nothing a complicated subject. It is just simply remembering the numbers of the alphabets. You just first number all the alphabets from 1 to 26 and 26 to 1 in reverse and just memorize that. You should be able to tell, like if I am asking what is the letter 12 or 13, you should be able to tell it is L or M. For that, a simple trick is you just remember this E, J, O, T, Y as H, O, T. This is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. From here you can actually go front and back to remember all the alphabets. So now let's get into the problems. But before getting into the problems, we should be clear about this alphabetical series. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is quite easy. But then you should also remember it in the reverse order also. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Yes, I know that's quite tough to hear, but then by practice it will become easy. We'll just go into the first problem. Problem is given as Y, B, T, G and O. First, observing the first two letters, we can find that this one is from last of the series and this one is from the first of the series. So, the alternate digits are from the last. Then the second alternative digits are from the first. Now Y, T and O are from the last. B, G and this question mark are from the first. We can observe that the difference between Y and T is 5 and the difference between T and O is 5. Now I told this is the second letter, this is the 7th letter, this is the 12th letter. So the common difference is 5. Applying the same here as well, the question mark, the answer will be L. So next, coming to the question number 2, the question we have taken is, if alphabets are written in reverse order, which is the 8th letter to right of O? So for this you have to remember that numbered series, like we have numbered A as 1, B as 2, similarly we wrote till Z as 26. We have to remember that number series from front to last and last to front as well. Remembering that, you will get the answer as G. Many similar questions can also come, like left of Z, tell me the 10th number, left of V, tell me the 11th number, etc, etc. Many questions in a similar manner may come. And then question number 3 we have used is F-A-G, G-A-F, H-A-I, I-A-H and then question mark. In this, if you see, A is common in the center. This is static. And then the terms have just interchanged to the next term. Like if first term has used F and G, the next term has used G and F. It has just been reversed. Then H and I, then I and H. So it has been coming in a correct series. F, G, H, I. So next series should be J and K. So the series will be J, A, K and then K, A, J. That will be your answer. We'll see some more sample questions given here. There are many other types as well. I am presenting you only some sample questions. So first question we have taken is, in word carriage, write maximum possible words without changing the order. Means you should not change the order that in which the letters are present in this particular word, but then you have to write the maximum number of words out of it. Here we can get car and age from carriage. As simple as that. Then odd one out. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 number of series in which the center letter is always a vowel here. A, E, I. But then here the center letter is consonant. So this term will be the odd one out. Similarly, you can also get everything as consonants and last one as vowel. Something like maybe like that. So odd one out is as simple as that. Next one. Arrange in a sequence. The given series you have to arrange in the sequence. So the words given are family, member, country, locality and community. So based on the population, you will have to arrange this now. So arranging so, we will get member, family, community, locality and then the country. With this, we are concluding this alphabetical series. If you like the video, just do like, share, subscribe and do not forget to click the bell icon. And this is me Nitya Rajesh signing off from Kapasula Kudinir. Bye bye. Take care.